Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the PAL All-in-One Starter Kit by Artery. The Artery PAL is a compact 1200 mAh slide filling mod with a 3 ml e-liquid capacity. The kit comes in a sturdy cardboard box. Inside the box, the kit contents include a user manual, a warranty card, 2 1.8 ohm ceramic coils, one comes pre-installed, spare glass cover and O-rings, a USB charging cable, a Lucky 168 coin, and the PAL box mod. The PAL features a 510 drip tip, a simple one-button design, and a micro USB port located near the bottom of the mod. On the bottom are 2 slots to lift off the magnetic covers on both sides. The PAL is roughly 3.5 inches in height by 1 3/4 inches in width. Lift the cover off on the opposite side of the power button to reveal the e-liquid tank. The e-liquid cover has built-in airflow channels. To change a coil, start by removing the drip tip. Use a coin to unscrew the threading cap. The tank can now be removed from the PAL. Slide off the glass cover from the tank. Push the coil assembly down and remove the atomizer tube from the coil. Push the coil out of the tank. Add the new coil and reconnect the atomizer tube. Replace the glass cover and insert the tank back into the PAL. Insert the threading cap and tighten securely with the coin. Replace the drip tip. To fill with e-liquid, slide the glass cover down and lay the PAL down on a flat surface. Fill the e-liquid through the opening up to the top, being careful not to overfill. Once full, securely slide the glass cover closed. Let the PAL sit for a few minutes to let the e-liquid completely soak into the cotton wick. Replace the front cover. 5 clicks the power button turns it on or off. Red light for off and blue light for on. Once turned on, you're ready to vape. The PAL is an interesting device. It looks kind of like a smaller billet box. I like the thin, pocket-friendly design. The vapor production from the coils is excellent. My only cons is the coil setup is a little complicated, and of course you can't rebuild the coils. Other than that, it's an easy mod to use with a decent e-liquid capacity for its small size. The PAL comes in several colors and it runs in the $30 to $40 range. If you'd like to pick up the Artery PAL for yourself, just click on the link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.